BridgePay is a secure payment platform designed for authorized Cricket Wireless resellers and agents, not for individual consumers. First, ensure you have a valid Cricket Wireless reseller account. Then, sign up for a BridgePay merchant account at bridgepaynetwork.com, providing your business and banking details. Finally, link your BridgePay account to your Cricket Wireless reseller account using their API. For individual consumers, payments should be made directly through cricketwireless.com or the Cricket Wireless app. Start by logging in to your BridgePay dashboard and selecting New Payment. Next, input the customer's Cricket Wireless account information, such as phone number and plan details. Specify the payment amount. Choose a payment method, credit card, debit card, ACH, or digital wallets. Review the terms, noting the 2.9% plus 30 cents transaction fee. Click Submit to process the transaction. Upon success, receive a confirmation. For recurring payments, set up automated scheduling in the portal. For refunds, use the BridgePay dashboard. BridgePay requires PCI DSS compliance.